Hello guys, we're waiting for Papa here. It's so hot. It's so hot? It's so hot. And they're eating. What are you eating? Banana. And Marcus is sleepy. And then we're here, gonna wait for Papa for the car. He will park there. It's too hot, not too hot. It's okay. Yeah, nasa ano kami. Tilagyan ng mga carpet. Oy, give Mama. We're waiting for Papa. This little boy eating Snickers. Where's Papa? Not yet. Okay. Yeah. Is Sharjah side. This is Dubai side. Diba? Mag-ano ka lang, dadaan ka lang dito. Nasa Dubai ka, pasok mo doon, Sharjah na. Car is here. Let's go into the car. Inside the car, it's too hot. Wait, Marcus! It's not that hot. Hindi ka tulad sa Pilipinas, malagkit. Okay. Yan. By side, may bus na dyan papuntang saan. Okay, today kita sa laruan. Okay. Saan tayo pupunta? Century Mall. Let's go.
Century Mall.
Yeah, dati, oh my God, naglalakad lang kami. Nag-aantay kami ng bus dito. Ay hindi, dito kami sumasakay ng bus. Ay hindi, dito tayo bumababa ng bus. Tapos magme-metro na kami. Diyan dati, sobrang init. Ngayon, may neneng di na kami. Pumunta kami ng Century Mall. First time namin to. Ay, hindi ko alam kung first time namin. Pero first time na yung magkasama lahat. Century Mall. Hindi siya pwede, mahal. Walang patungan.
I don't think that's allowed.
Ooh. Luffy, Zoro.
Again, press.
Pag 999 na, tignan natin. Joke lang. Live. Sa park.
Another part.
The park. Anong oras na? 7. Look at that. Wala pa tayo sa Sharjah, di ba? Nasa Dubai side pa tayo dito. Ay, Sharjah na pala. Inano niya mal, no? Yeah. Kapag loading kami, alis na kami.
That's Pond Park.
Yeah, Alnada Park. It's different Alnada Pond Park doon sa isa.